All right, check it out, guys. If you have some artwork and you want to automate that, it's kind of difficult to do, especially because really the only thing they sell at the improvement stores are like recessed outlets like this. And this customer's electricians couldn't find anything that worked. So what we're going to do is we're going to be putting the outlet in this big box, and he has a Wemo automated switch that the artwork will plug into. So basically, we're just going to take this and plug it in here like that. And that'll get the job done. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm finished installing it. All right, so you can see there's a framing on the wall here. It was unexpected. So we can't use this as traditionally designed, just because of the fact that the outlet won't go in there, or there, because of the length up here and there. So what we're gonna do is just mount the box like that. All right, guys, so here's the final installed product. Not exactly what I had in mind, but it does accomplish the task. In an ideal situation, we would have the box installed down in here where the stud is, but the important part is that the customer can now hang their artwork right over this, still plug in their automation device and the power to it, and not have it push it off the wall. Everything turned out great. Grayson did a great job installing this product. If you guys would like us to do something like this for you, or ship you the product, just give us a call or shoot us an email. Thanks for watching. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater.